Today I want to show you how you can easily fire up a virtual machine in macOS. With the recent changes with Big Sur and Monterey, Apple has made it far more difficult for users to use virtual machines within their desktops. Now there are paid versions which basically avoid this issue. However, for basic users who just want to check on something and don't want to use paid services, this is the way. We have downloaded VirtualBox, and just for the sake of this video I will use Manjaro. So let's give this virtual machine a name, click on continue, set up some RAM. The process is basically the same for every installation. Now right here, when you click on start, typically we need to select where our ISO is. So when we click on add, program is going to crash. Failed to open a session with manager and VirtualBox is crashing. When we click on reopen, nothing is going to happen. Process completed. So the way to avoid this issue is by going into settings, storage, and right here under controller IDE, select it, choose a virtual optical disk, choose the disk file. When we select it, we will be able to select our ISO, and this way avoiding this issue which Apple has made for ordinary users. Once the ISO is selected, just click OK. While I'm here, I will increase the video memory and processor, and when we click on start machine, it is going to run perfectly normal. Here it is. Basically this avoidance is being done for every single virtual machine. Doesn't matter the distribution or whether it is Linux, Windows or another macOS. It's just that Apple has made their system, and this is the way to avoid this issue and continue on with booting your virtual machine. Today, as you can see, it is perfectly stable and running. Thank you very much for watching. If you have found this video useful, feel free to leave a comment and give it a like. I'll see you in the next video.